Hi, my name is Barry Schwartz. I'm from Rusty Brick, and I'm going to do a quick demo, or a pretty detailed demo of the Mikvah app for the iPhone. Basically, it's for Taharas HaMishpacha, which is basically a family purity guide and has family purity tools, including a Mikvah Database, etc., etc. To learn more about this, you could actually buy it or read about it at rustybrick.com/iPhone/Mikvah, and Mikvah is spelled M-I-K-V-A-H. Again, it's rustybrick.com/iPhone/Mikvah, and you could either click a link to buy it from there, or you can read about it and learn more information about that. I'm going to go ahead and take you over to the Mikvah app on my iPhone right now. So I'm going to go ahead and click on the icon, which is this guy. And then it opens up. What it's going to do is ask me for my password. First time users will be asked to set their password eventually. I'll go ahead and move the camera away so I can type my password in. Okay, so first it uploads, typically it goes straight to the Mikvah section. So now I was using my GPS to find the closest Mikvah to me. Tells you how far they are. In the right hand corner has a name and address over here. I can go ahead and change my location if I want to any location I want. In addition, I could add new locations by clicking on here and clicking the plus sign over here. And if I wanted to, I could just go ahead and change it to my current location. It's going to go ahead and find the closest location. And now I'm going to click on a specific mikvah, and it'll show me the title, I guess the name of the mikvah, the address with the map button. When you click the map, it'll take you to Google Maps. The phone numbers, if there are multiple ones, it'll show multiple ones with clickable phone numbers, which will call them. Do you need an appointment? This one, no. Is it open on weekdays? Is it open on Shabbos? You could also edit this record. If there's a mistake or an update, you need to make an update to it. You just click edit, and you'll tell us about it. You can also email this record to yourself or somebody else. And if you go back, if the mikvah is not there that you want, you can click the plus sign and tell us about a mikvah that's not there. So that's basically locating mikvahs. There's a whole schedule system, which is called Vestos, which keeps track of your clean days, your unclean days, when you went to the mikvah, etc., etc. How that works is simple. You basically click on the record on the day, then it says click again, so you click again, then you specify what it is. So did you have a period? And you click on period. It says did it happen during the night or during the day, and I'll click on night. And then it shows, towards the night. Then I could click on a different day. Again, I could go ahead and say I went to the mikvah that day. I can then click on it again and either delete it or do other things. I could add a note, whatever the note might be. And then it goes ahead and adds that note. See, my note is DFFF. I could then delete that note if I wanted to, and it's gone. So it's not a calculator. It's basically a schedule keeper. It helps you keep track of which days are what and what days are whatever. So again, you just click and see what happened. Now we move over to the Zmanim. The Zmanim tab basically has for your current location or for any location you want to check. You could change the location, like in the Mikvah section, and it'll tell you the relevant Zmanim for different things. So, what time is sunrise, what time could you go to the Mikvah, etc., etc. Obviously, you probably want to go with your local calendar, but this is just a good aid to have. It uses your current location. If it doesn't have your current location, it can plug in your location into the system, and it will reverse that to figure out the elevation as well as the longitude and latitude of that location. One of the best parts of this application is from Rabbi Yeager from Targum.com. He went ahead and gave us his whole book on guidelines for family purity. And it basically has a bunch of Q&As, what is nida, a bunch of different things in here that help a woman or a man figure out any questions that might be related to family purity or Taharas HaMishpacha. And it's by section, so you have the introduction and how a woman becomes a nida, and you keep scrolling through, and stains it goes through, has a bunch of different things, Karos, and it has a lot of different chapters, as well as you could do a search. So if I want to find, I don't know, a specific topic, I could do a search, and it will come up with the various, results. These are all the results that are found for that. It shows you all of them. You click on one, it will show you the details. You click back. You could go ahead and click right over to the Guidelines to Family Purity by Rabbi Yitzhak Yeager over at Targum. If you want to buy the book, great book. You definitely want to probably look at it. And that's really the guidelines. They're really a very good aid to this application. There's also a More tab, which gives you a checklist. You say, what should you bring to the mikvah? You could just check them off as when you're ready and when you do them. And also, preparing for dunking during the mikvah? Did you clean your ears? Did you remove your makeup, etc., etc.? And this basically gives you a way to make sure you take care of what you need to. You can obviously edit this list. You can delete things, reorder them, or add new ones if you want, by clicking the add sign and stuff like that. So that's the checklist. Very useful. People sometimes forget things, and this helps you keep track of things. Also, it has a contacts. You can put your rabbis, your mikvah ladies, or whatever you want into the contacts. I'm not going to click on mine because I have some data in there that I probably don't want to show, but it's basically a quick way to get to contacts that are relevant to this application. Finally, you have the settings, which currently allows you to set your password. So that's the Mikvah app. If you have any questions or comments or anything like that, and you want to buy it, just go to rustybrick.com/iPhone/Mikvah, or you go to rustybrick.com/iPhone to see all our applications. Hope you like this video and hope you like the application. We'll look forward to feedback, and thank you for listening.